everyone. I am Abhiyan Joshi. I am a civil engineer. I am currently working as a freelancer. I am having a designing firm by the name Abhiyan Joshi and Associates. I have completed my civil engineering in the year 2017 from the Chameli Devi Group of Institutions. I am here to guide you with my experiences that I had in those 4 years. Guys, these 4 years are very precious for your life. The things you learn in these 4 years will be helping you out for almost 60 years of your life. In every situation, you will be needing this knowledge, these skills that you learn here. You have been to different websites of different colleges. Everyone says that they had the best faculties, they had the best ambience, they had the best equipments there for they have the best laboratories. So guys, these are not the only things you will be needing in these 4 years, and these are not the only things you will be needing for the 60 years of your life. There are something more you will be needing, like you have seen the movie Three Idiots. There is a famous dialogue of चाबुक के डर से तो शेर भी उठ के बैठना सीख जाता है, पर उसे हम वेल ट्रेन्ड कहते हैं, वेल एजुकेटेड नहीं. सो according to me, an educated person is not only one who is having the technical knowledge, but a person who is having the knowledge of how to deal with the stress, how to deal with the different people in different companies, and how to deal with different situations. So these are the things you will be needing, you will be learning in these 4 years. So I had my experiences. Many of my faculties are still in contact with me. Just because they were not my faculties, they were like my friends, like my family. They always supported in every situation I need them. They always help me out grooming myself. Uh, uh, I had an experience from my final year when there is a placement process going on, and I'm not participating in that. So one of the faculties of the placement cell said me that why are you not participating? So I just said him that I will be joining my father's business. So he just said me, if you don't want the placement, at least participate in that. So you will be learning how a recruitment process goes through. So I had participated in that, and yeah, I have learned how to recruit a person, and yeah, it helped me out. Till today, I have done almost 100 recruitments in uh, companies I've worked with. So these were the things you will be learning in these 4 years from the faculties of our college. So hope you like CDJI, and all the very best for your future. Thank you.